So let's take a walk, because this is my girl's birthday, and I want her to know that the signs are everywhere that she should be with me. You know when you just can't ignore the signs? Like when they're clear as day. Like you should for sure know that, like, she makes you want to be a better man. You know what I mean? Like the signs are everywhere. The signs that I'm supposed to be with this girl and that my life is shifting. You know what's awesome about her? For real. For real. I get lost in her eyes. They absolutely captivate me. Now I'm going to tell you what. Probably the only time in my life a dumpster made me smile. That's not true. I've had a bunch of shit to get out of the truck. Dumpsters made me smile. But not this kind of smile. So, we're on our little tour. Oh, while we're on our tour, here's my little happy birthday sign. You know, because you gotta make sure people know you love them. Especially when they're awesome people. Especially like when there's something changing in you being around them and they force you to be a better person. You know, like when you're really glad that you found them. You know, you should make sure they know. You know? This lady's so awesome. I'm telling you, for real. Like forcing me to shift my whole game. Like forcing me to shift my whole game. Gotta be doing dumb shit, like putting notes on dumpsters. You know? But hey, I'll do that all the time. I don't care. And honestly, it ain't that dumb. Might be a little cheesy, but it ain't that dumb. So, and you know, what are you supposed to do? You know, when you find somebody and they light up your day. You know, you're supposed to light their day up. You're supposed to let them know they're important. You're supposed to let them know that they matter, you know? So, you know, Lauren, the signs are everywhere. Everywhere. And just so you know, I won't be letting you go. No, I will not. I certainly will not. You, honey, are a keeper. And you know what's awesome is, like, we did the bullshit in the beginning and the fun stuff at the end. We did it reverse. Why did we do it in reverse? Because you're fucking awesome. And you know, I felt kind of broken and sad, and like I'd taken a long time off of relationships. I really had. Shit, I just realized I'm wearing douchebag sunglasses. One she hates. Fuck my life. So I gotta take them off for the rest of the video. And I'll wear them everywhere else, but on this video I can't wear them no more. So, but I'm gonna tell you what, even without my douchebag sunglasses, I feel stronger just having her around. I do. It's true. Like, it's a shift in my life. A total shift in my life. You know, so like, what do you do when you have a shift in your life? How do you go about proceeding? Well, I'm gonna tell you what my goals are. They're real simple goals, you know? I just wanna start every day next to her and end every day with her in my arms. I mean, I don't really need to go out. I don't need to do a whole bunch of shit. But like that part, I really won't. I do. Because she's fucking awesome. Seriously. So smart. So fucking beautiful. Way out of my league. The way, like, this is the shit that keeps her in my league. And barely. I'm excited to share my life with her. I am. Because I was fucked up. You know, when she found something in me that was lost. It's true. You know, and so it's important that, like, I do things like this to make her smile. You know why? Because she's sexy. She's sexy. And she's classy. And she is so beautiful. So beautiful. And once again, we did it in reverse. So let's just hang this sign up right here. Right here for her. And bam.